So good evening, everyone. Today we have came to the second day of student development program on AI agents in action, building autonomous digital teams. I'm welcoming everyone for this attending the sessions. Thanks for everyone for attending this session. As it's the last day of our student development program on agents. So after the sessions, so you will be receiving your e-certificate for the participation. So for the first, so last in the last sessions, so after the last 15 minutes, you will be having your interaction sessions. So with our now trainer, so you can have if you have any doubts in that, you can clear your doubts. Now you can start the sessions. I'm welcoming everyone for attending the sessions. Thanks for the participations.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So fine. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to explore one of the most exciting development in AI, like AI agent. Uh, Yesterday we have seen overall view of agents, how it work, and other thing. Today we will go with first 30 minutes with slight explanation. After 30 to 45 minutes, we will do next 45 minutes. We can take as a workshop, like everyone can build a agent in with me. Also, you can get code from me also in chat or group. So we can start now. So today's goal is we going to build your first agent, AI agent, like for creating a email with a newsletter like today's top trending AI news, etc. So before that, the main agenda, what are AI agents are, why are they important, like how they work, types of AI agents, then our demo, also future of AI agents. We can clearly complete all these concepts today. So to understand an AI agent, we need to see how AI has evolved. First, we had a rule-based system, like a system to system, like for fixed instruction should be given from a human, and the system will respond and give a result. Then came machine learning and where system learned from data. Learned themselves by data. After that, we saw generative AI like ChatGPT, which can generate text, image, and videos, etc. Now we are entering the next phase, AI agent. This system don't just generate response, like they will take a action, like and give a result. So, like yesterday, what is an AI agent? We have seen an AI agent as a system that can understand a goal and make a decision and take action. Unlike a traditional AI, it doesn't stop that answering question and actually perform tasks. Like it will think their own and it will work independently. So today's mindset, you should focus on these AI agent. Set your focus on success. Like today, I'm sure that everyone in this session, you can create an agent, at least a simple agent from explanation with me. Before that, we can see yesterday's presentation. So this is the main agenda today. It will become the core component of AI agent. Every AI agent is built using these four three things like brain, planning, and memory. First, the brain will usually like a language model like chat GPT, Claude, Gemini, or Perplexity, etc. Second, like a planning. So planning like a tool. It will take a API or external system others. A third one, memory to store the past information. Like if you chat with a chatbot, it will take a lot of information like short term and long term in this concept. So here, short term is like we can store up to 5 to 10 data short term. Long term, we it's like a chat GPT conversation around 10 to 15 days. Long term conversation. So that's memory type. And how AI agents will work. Let's break down the workflow. The user first give the input, the agent understand the request, then it decide what action to take with their own knowledge, and it uses the tools like API or other external systems, and then it return the result. This process happens in a minute 2 seconds, like as soon as possible. So, real world use cases like for an AI agents, you can see customer support automations, email response system, task scheduling, data analysis, personal assistant. Uh, Other than that, you can see more needs like Instagram auto scroll, Instagram suggestions, Amazon suggestions, product suggestion, etc. And then we have three to four type of AI agents like reactive, goal based, and autonomous agents. They reactive agents, they respond instantly without any plan, like how ChatGPT is responding, same like that, but the agent will work as a chatbot. And then goal based agent, they plan step to achieve an outcome, like step by step process. And autonomous agent, they operate independently with minimal human input. We just given intro input to them, and then the full process, end to end process, will be handled by agents independently. So here you can see list of agents like I want to for one or three agents. First one is N10. This for automation workflow. Then we have Zapier. It this and Flowise is same concept. In same concept, you can use it easy before N10 will also be in easy way, but in online or any without any installation, you can use this. And then OpenAI. OpenAI for language models like OpenAI GPT 3.1 to 3 up to we have a lot of models. So here you can see a lot of models in OpenAI. So each models is useful for users for different tasks like something for image generation, something for deep search, or other than that coding for etc. Like that you can use multi models in same thing using ni10 or Zapier or Flowise etc. So here you can see Flowise is their work and Zapier also. So if you have installed ni10, you can run in localhost and you can open in browser. If anyone have no idea about ni10 how to install or anything else, we can see in after 10 to 15 minutes. Now I will show some demos like today we what going to develop in ni10. So this is the today's AI news agent like scheduling the trigger like daily morning or daily evening. You can get a email from this ni10 agent. Like if you publish it, you can it will run in cloud by every day without your knowledge. If without publication, you can use like here itself like execute workflow. So here you can see open router chat model. It cost is free of cost like 4 to 5 models in this open router. You can get us a free model, and it will take some time, but response will be good, and also accuracy will be good. Other than that, if you have API with Google Gemini or OpenAI, you can use the those models by removing this. So in open router here you can see the credits how you have used before, and you can see the models like Nvidia Nematron 3 Super is free, and other than that you can see one or two three models free models from Nvidia, also like Minimax, Setup Fund, etc. Each model will work us in different way.
You can unmute yourself. Sir, can you?
Yeah. So here you can see the flow has executed, and then I will show the mail. So here you can see the mail with the company name and newsletter like what you have done. So today's trending newses and etc. We can update this UI using that HTML code in N8N. So you can read as a company person, you can get detailed explanation or new updates from these agents in mail or telegram or else WhatsApp, etc. So now you can get some ideas like how the agents is working and how we going to connect or we going to create an agent in N10 or Flowise or Zapier, etc. Uh, in a agent you can connect through APIs, other models, etc. But in so today's project we are going to do the same thing which I have shared with you in live demo. Like you can get today's news in a headline top 5 to 6 news in through email using AI news link and Nvidia official website. So it going to work like a block hub, like different. We can connect a lot of AI news links like Nvidia, Times of India, AI news, etc. We connect all these and merge in one JSON file, and then you can use OpenAI or Open Router they to summarize it and give top 10 needed newses, and then it will mail to you. So same like this, you can use a WhatsApp message. Like you need a business account and you need a API from WhatsApp Meta, so that you can get a message, WhatsApp message through this N10 of upcoming newses like etc. So then, so you can see yesterday's presentation like a role, goal, tool, and expected output. Same like that. We today we going to give a prompt like this to the agent, and then it going to take this all thing and it going to work with us. So at the core of every AI agent in is a prompt. The prompt tells the AI how to behave. For example, if you need a professional assistant, then you can give us a you are a professional assistant that sends clear messages, etc. The better prompts will give the better result in AI agents. So enhancing script and fixing issues is not a big much of thing. We just you need to know about JSON files and connection of N10 to tools, models, and etc. memory, etc. So that you can get some idea to how where the issue you have faced and how to clear it. The main thing is AI agents also have challenges like they can make incorrect decision. They depends on external systems like now you can see AI news, Nvidia or other external links, but this AI agent depends on them. Then only you can get some news like that. And other than that, security and privacy concerns also possible in AI agents, and most of the issue main challenge is cost of API. Where whatever you going to develop for any company related or any other big thing, you need a cost API with the price. Big free models are available, but there is a lot of lack in that models, and you cannot get a perfect result in a timing. So we need compulsory API key to create big AI agents like for company business developments, business automations, etc. So like future of AI agent, the future is very interesting and existing going to be happen like automated businesses, daily life agents to assist us, and also in IT field or any other tech or non-tech field, the agents will work along with human. So we need to adapt with agents so that we can survive for a long time in tech or non-tech fields. So I think we have filled more than that. Now we can build agents through N8N or Flowise or etc.
So how to create our own websites and all with some of the tools, AI tools. So Stitch AI. So Stitch AI is one of the tool. So in this, how to create a one website and all, we can do that. It's a Google platform. So it is a Google platform. So in this Google platform, how to create a website and all, we can do that. So now we can check with this. So how to create a website? So this is with the help of Google AI, Flash AI. So Flash and all things and think Pro. This is and all we are turning that. So with the help of this, we can do that. So how to create? So if we want to create a one website, so this is with the help of the agentic AI. So AI agents. So we are so already we know about the agentic. So agent. So that is in this. So we can how to create our website. So for this, we can give this as if we want to create a one website, college website. So I don't know how to create a one website. So what I can do means I can give simply college website. So we can create. So we don't if we want to create a one college website, we don't know how to create one all. So for that, what I can do means I can create one this. So it will be taking around a time. So it was creating one screen. So with the help of the Google only, we can able to. It's a Google platform. So with that help of the Google platform, we can create able to do a website. So it will be taking around a time. So with this, so it will be taking around a few minutes time. So with that, we can do that website. And after that, so for the AI agents, so we will be having one tool called Replik. So Replik AI. So this is also one of the tools. So we can also, so it will take around time. So now it's a mobile app. So whatever things we can do that. So with the help of this, we can do that. So with this, so we'll be designing a next college website. So if I need, I can give this. So yeah, college website loading. Before that, we can go for the Reflect AI. So Reflect. So what are the things that we can do that means? So what we can do means I can do that. So I can log in. I already having the account. So, so last account is email. So I'll be opening this email. So I'll be logging. Okay. So it's now logged. So I already done many websites. So with this, so agentic AI. So with this agents, so what we can do means we can create a website. So whatever the type of website that we can able to create. So what we can do now? Okay. So with this, I want to create a website. So for this, I can create a website college. So here in this, so what is the benefit between this and this? So here the website is created. So I want to do that change on the screen. So now we get that screens and all. So what I have to do means I can able to do that things. So like this, I can add I can do admission. So admission module. So if I want to add admission module, also we can do that. So with these projects and all, I can do that. So the stitch AI. So before that, so we will be going for this. So now we are building this agents. So this is also one of the example of agentic AI. So it will also take time. So with this admissions modules and all, it will loading this. So it will be taking around a time, the few minutes. So generating a screens. So now it is generating a screens. So with this also they will be doing this. It was loading. So now these academic modules and all we can give that. So so with this, so we can able to do a website and with a fraction of minutes. So this is the concepts. So with that help of this, so what are the things that all we can find the new screens in the canvas. So and all what are the things that you needed. So all the things and all we can this. So if you want to, it will be having giving a suggestion also. So create a graduate study overview, design a campus tour booking screen. So like this with you, sure. So if you, it will be giving the suggestions. So if you use this also, you can bet best. Otherwise, you can also write your own suggestions. Okay. So next thing is that now it's working. Okay. So another thing is that it is also working. So next thing is that we can go with the chat GPT. So chat, all of them know that. So prompt engineering. So we will be going with prompt engineering. So prompt engineering. So in the prompt engineering, so all of them knows about this prompt engineering. So today, as per today, so all of them get this name. So what is meant by the prompt engineering? So means, so it has three types of concepts. So one shot is one shot prompting, and second one is two shot prompting, and third one is chain of prompting, chain of thought prompting. So in this, so two shot. So one shot means, so what is mean by that means one answer. So we'll be giving one answer and one solution for this. We can give this. So what is mean by that now? So example, simply we can give this. So one shot prompting means, so good morning. So we'll be giving the questions and we'll be giving the answers also for this. So we'll be giving this answer. So we can give this. This is a one shot prompting. So one answer, one question and one answer we'll be giving this. Translate. So now I'll be giving this. How are you? If I give this, so it will be giving this in the French. So already it's the French language. So it will be checked that and I'll be giving this answer solution. So it is mean by that one example and one solutions will be given. So next thing is that the two shot prompting. So two shot prompting. So two shot prompting. So what is mean by two shot prompting means? So we'll be checking with this. So two shot means two answers, two questions, and we'll be giving a two answers for this. So on how to rectify that, we can check with this. So now we can go in a always we'll be going in the news. It will be so all of them knows about the chat. So chat in how to chat and all in this. But hereafter you can go with the efficient way. So this is the method. So this is solutions. So next thing is that good morning. Then and next thing is thank you. Thank you for French. I'll be giving in a French word. So this also. So now it will be checked that it will be going that. So it will till evening. So it is going that the French word. So it is tell that French word. So next see you tomorrow. So this is the word. So two answers we will be giving this two answer two so questions and two answers will be given this. So I'm giving the solutions for this concepts. So now you know about the two shot prompting. Two shot means simple that. So we'll be giving this solution. So where it is using this, we can check with this now. So where we can check with this now. So we can check this. That means so if we are want to go with any other questions and answer that what the answer what in the what way we have to produce the answer. For that we have to check that. For this we will be going with this concepts. And next The third one is chain of thought prompting. So what is meant by the chain of thought prompting means, so it will be, we'll be going and running always all of them doing. So as a students, we are all going to do so sums and all calculations and all. So for these calculations, so we already know about the book, textbook and all. So we will be knowing that one question is that is a one question and solution will be there. So but our college staffs will be given that what will be the given that means they will be giving a one sum that is not related to the book. So for that we have to do in our own way. So for that reason, so we will be using this method. So if the train kilometer per hour or how does it travel? Step one, I'll be giving a step. Train is 60 km per hour. Travel is 2 hours. Equal to speed. So I'm giving a small example. Speed in time equal to 60 star 2 equal to 120 ms. I'll be giving this. So now it train the model. So we are training the model. So with this, so we'll be giving the solutions. Train is 120 kilometers. So now I'll be here. So I'll be copying this questions for the speed answers. So I'll be pasting here. If the train is travel, so 45 kilometers per hour, and how long it will travel? 3 hours. So if I give this solutions, so for this, so it will be getting the solutions. Now you got the solutions. Now it will be finding the answer. Like this, we can do that. And next thing is, so now all of them know that. So now all of them know that. So how to do that and also reflect. So now, so we can see with the previous examples. So with this, so we can see the previous examples. So now the website is made. So website is ready. So with the help of replic.com. So replic.com campus hub. So we can do that. So if you want to add any function, so if you want to add anything, so admissions module. So admission module. So if I want to admission module, so inquiry. So I can simply, I don't know what how to. So for this, I'll be doing this inquiry module. So if I give this and if I do that, it will be checking and it will be providing this. So yes, so apply inquiry. So in this apply now, if I click this, so inquiry module will be there and apply admissions. So slash inquiry. So if I click inquiry, so it will be working. Wait, it will be working that. So this will be the module. So if I want to publish directly, I can able to publish this website, this URL or upgrade. So all the things payment version for this payment version, it will be working with our domain. So personalized domain example. This is personalized domain. That domain we can do that. So personalized domain. So if it is a free version, so we are not able to do that. So one and only the free the domain. What are the domain that they are giving, that domain only we can able to use. So and we can check with all the things. So if I want to do this, if I want to make a copy also, I can able to do configure myself. So if I want to configure anything, so I can configure my domains. What are things that are just settings. So all the things I can check this. So what's the RAM? So RAM. So how many CPU are there? So and delete cover pages, public and all the things we are do that. So I'm previewing all the things we can do. And next thing is so view log. What are say any React? So it's a React code. So it will be go. And next thing is that libraries. So open new tab. So open tab and all be opening in this. So this will it will be so edit app details. So what are the things that I can do? I can able to do and publish if I directly publish. So if you want to do this with the functionalities, you can do that. For with the help of one and only you are going to do with the one and only UI part alone, you are going to do this. You can use the Stitch AI. So Stitch AI. So before after that we can go for the Stitch AI. After that concluding this, we can go for the Stitch AI. So college website and we can download also this also. So daily credits. So we have daily credits. So with this we can do that. So private, public, visibility, public or private. I can give this all the things. I can give this. So apply now. So all the things now it's updated. So campus hub. So it will be that. So settings are already we go with settings. So what are the things that were settings? So company settings. So you can go with the reflect and you can download the websites. So it is working. So working with our modules. So it will be functionalities and we'll be doing the functionalities and also with the help of agentic. So agents. Agents. So it is doing that. So submit an inquiry. So slash inquiry. So if I go with the inquiry, so I can do this and next apply also task is that. Also if I do this, it will be so apply to the website. So the website is done. This so made with reflect. So all the things will be there. So invite. So I can if I want to invite a collaborator, so I can able to invite any of them. So if I want to publish, so preview tab publishing. So in the new tab, if we open new tab, it will be coming this canvas. So settings console developer git. So we can push this to the git also directly and say and file also workflow. All the things we can do that. Review your app validation to say settings. So this is the file. So source code. So file tree. So if I go with the file tree, so I can check this. So and download as a thing. So if I want to go for so here the libraries. So libraries. So if I want to get the libraries, on the top right corner, you will be getting this concepts. So in this file tree is that. So you can click the file tree. So if we not clicking this, this only get. If we click file tree, the GitHub source code. So the React.js source code will be come. So what are the things that you want to download as a so if you want to download as a zip, so it will be downloading. So and you can run in your computer the offline source code. So if you want to do the functionalities, so it will be taking a time. So within a fraction of so within a 5 minutes, we can do a functionality website. So with this concept, if you want to, if I think that my system is not supporting this concept, so I'll be have to directly have to go mix. I already told that this is the version that with that versions we can go with this. So it's the concept that we can with that we can go with that. Otherwise, you can download so how many MBs is that we can get and publish or invite collaborators also. We can do with this. It's also possible. And next thing. Okay. So this we know now we got the ideas about this agentic AI or reflect AI. NI10 is also that, but before that you will be getting this concept. So we already see that NI10 and all. So now we will be getting this concepts. And next thing is that so Stitch AI, Stitch AI. So in this Stitch AI, so here we will be going this, and next thing is the campus tour and all the things and all admission modules and all. We will be going this. So if I want to go with this concept, I want to play, connect, and preview instant prototype and all. I can give this. Otherwise, I can preview in a new tab and all. I can give this preview. So what are the things? Stitch AI already told that it's a Google platform with the help of Gemini 3.0. It is working. So preview or edit, I can give this. So preview, I can preview this all this concepts. Preview with all these concepts. How it's working. So all the things we can go with this. So tab. So it will be working. So like this we can go with this. So prototype. So how it so prototype means nothing but how to view and all the things I can go with. So otherwise I can download. I want to download this code. So I can select this code and I can either then download. So download projects. So I can give this download project. If I give download projects, so I'll be getting this project. So Stitch, Campus Life, all the things I'll be as it's a so all the things. So it is a static. So this will becomes the this Gemini. So this Stitch AI comes with this concepts. So like this we can go to, and we can check that all the pages will be comes with this concepts. So on screenshot of this pages also it will become the campus to all the things. So if I want to go with this pages also that I'll be going this. So next thing is that so home page all the pages will be downloaded. So if I want to download any of the pages also it is possible. So Stitch project. So I can go with this and right click and I can regenerate or any other thing. View code or export or download. If I go with this, a single page will be downloaded. So I can check with this. So one and only this page, which I page that I need that page alone, it will come. Otherwise, it will not come. So that are the pages that having that pages alone, it will be comes. So that is the concept. So now we got the ideas about this concepts and all. So how to do the website static and then functionality website. Both the things you will be getting this idea. So now we can check with this campus hub. So this is the project of this concepts. All the pages. So npm. So all the pages are reflect.md. So package or JSON. So all the libraries. So all the files will be there. So we can go with the source files and all. So all the txt files, TypeScript files and all the presents. So we can select this which type of files and all. We can all the things we can select. So if you want to select, we can do what are the things that you need. All the things we can do with this concepts. Okay. Now you got the ideas about this agentic AI to build a website and prompt engineering for and the prompt engineering for this website. So the prompt engineering, and next we are going to do that. So we are creating. So now we are going to create one chatbot. So all of them know that. So this versions. So ChatGPT. So all of them know that it's a so ChatGPT is an online version. So it is possible to use all of them questions having that. Is it possible to use this ChatGPT in offline version? It is possible or not? So yes, it's possible also. So it's a Olama, it's olama.com. So it's an online tool. So it's an online tool. So it comes around. So you can download. So this is the download. So Windows for download, we can download with this. So it will be comes around 1.2 GB. So it will be 1.6 GB. So after downloading, so after that, so next we can check with this. So welcome. So next we can documentation. Documentation. So if I want to use this and all, so if I want to after installation, so after the installation of this Olama, so we can use this tools. So what are the tools? Documentations. We can go with so models. So we can go with models. So we can select a model. So what models we can do? We can check that. So all the models will be there. So which model you can choose? You can choose DeepSeek that. So all the things will be there. So you want to search. So DeepSeek version 3.2, all the things is there. So all the things will be there. So DeepSeek. So in this, after installation, so it will becomes around this Python version, or if you want to integrate this in Python, also it is possible. So it will become around be downloading about 4 GB to 5 GB space. And after that, if you want to write the code in an offline, also it is possible. So it is if you want the code in the possible also possible. So JavaScript also you can. So the JavaScript means either React.js or Node.js. We can create a response. So this is a code like this. We can integrate this codes in our code, and we can use this as an offline version. So as an offline version, we can use this code. So like this, we can do that, and we can go with this concept. So this we can do with this. Go with this. So now we got the ideas about this concepts. So how to use this model. So now we can use this. So on anything LLM is also there. So anything LLM. So it is an. So this is also one tool. So this is with this help of anything LLM. the download for Windows. So this is also one tool. So with this anything LLM, so we can connect. So graphical use, we can use the chat GPT like so in a graphical way. So with that, this tool, Onama and anything LLM, with that we can connect our so tools. Anything LLM. It's a graphical tool. With that graphical tools also we can go with this. So we can go with anything LLM. So I'll be going with images. So this is the tool. So like this, it will be having a tool. So I'll be running so anything LLM. Okay. So with this installation and all, we can go with this offline tool. So now we got the ideas about this concepts. So all the things and all. So all anything LLM. So and all agents. So prompt engineering and this and yesterday and today also you will be getting the ideas about this. So now the session. So I mic is enabled and chat. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the sessions.